Hello and welcome to our channel Technical NITians. Today I'm here to share with you guys my review on ASUS TUF A15 2020. If you are new to our channel then please do subscribe. So let's get started. The ASUS TUF Gaming A15 2020 is relatively light and portable, targeted at gamers with entry-level budgets. This is a gaming laptop that can be used for creative work as well as general productivity without much hassle. ASUS has launched this laptop with a lot of variants, and there are plenty of features like smooth gaming performance that should appeal to gamers. Firstly, let us see the most exciting and advanced feature which this laptop is having. There's been a lot of excitement around AMD's 4000 series processors, and these comes with three variants: AMD 6-core Ryzen 5, octa-core Ryzen 7 and Ryzen 9. But these processors lags behind because of use of PCIe 3 like the others, but we are expecting PCIe 4 this time. The ASUS TUF Gaming A15 is the first gaming laptop to land in India with it. AMD has promised that this generation can easily hold its own despite Intel's virtual monopoly in the laptop market. Also, this processor is found to be a beast of a performer, improving performance across a host of metrics but as much as 100%. And it will definitely help to set it apart in the market. AMDs are trying to set up the market with these processors as they are playing their hands to the gaming laptops also. So, here this comes with the AMD processors. But now what about its GPU? For gaming laptops, GPU should be quite sufficient. AMD Ryzen 7 model includes the graphics processor is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti with GDDR6 dedicated graphic memory type, and it is of 6 GB, which provides smoother gaming experience that includes 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, a 512 GB SSD and a 1 TB hard drive. And AMD Ryzen 9 model comes with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060, and this includes 1 TB of SSD. These GPUs are the latest ones. In context of its expandable memory, it is having a RAM of 16 GB which is expandable up to 32 GB with 2 RAM slots. AMD costs lesser than the Intel. That's why AMD laptops are more when talking about specifications other than the processor. Now, having a look at its display, it is a laptop with 15-inch size, 1920 x 1080 pixels resolution and 144Hz refresh rate. This refresh rate is quite impressive. Now, this laptop is having 4 USB ports that are one USB 2.0, two USB 3.1 Generation 1 Type A, but here we are expecting the USB 3.4 and one USB 3.1 Generation 2 Type C with HDMI port and lock slot. The TUF Gaming A15 is sold in two finishes, and you get loads of options when it comes to the CPU, GPU, RAM, storage and screen type. The overall look is a bit basic. The screen is fine for games but not very vibrant, and battery life is also mediocre. However, the overall package is slim and portable, and it's definitely good value for money. There are plenty of ports and a comfortable RGB backlit keyboard for gamer cred. In ASUS TUF, it is like choosing your laptop according to your needs and budget. That range starts from 60,000, and none of the gaming laptop is available with that much 1660 Ti GPU. So we can clearly say that this is a budget gaming laptop. So that was all about ASUS TUF A15. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Technical NITians for more such videos. Now taking my leave, we'll see you all in our next video. Until then, goodbye and stay safe.